Why is a pregnant woman getting leg swelling during the pregnancy? Let us discuss all about this in this video. Hi, this is Dr. Abinaya Vijayakumar. I am a doctor and a post-pregnancy coach. For those of you watching me for the first time, I take post-pregnancy classes to pregnant women where I teach them how to stay happy, positive and confident throughout their pregnancy and to connect with the child in the womb using simplified Garbh Sanskar technique. To know more about the courses, check out the description. Also, you can message me on Instagram using the link provided below. Before we move into normal or abnormal leg swelling, let us discuss why leg swelling is happening in a pregnant woman. First, because of the fluid overload that is happening in advancing weeks of pregnancy, a pregnant woman will have some amount of leg swelling in the late stages of pregnancy, especially in second and third trimester. So how do we know if it is normal or abnormal? Any pregnant women in 8th month or 9th month can have some amount of leg swelling. But if the swelling is completely reduced after a good night's sleep, that is when the women wake up in the morning, the swelling is completely gone and her blood pressure is completely normal. We also do a test for urine albumin. If that is also normal, then we need not worry about this leg swelling. This is something physiological that is common in pregnancy. So usually happens in second, especially in third trimester around 8th or 9th month. But if the pregnant women have consistent leg swelling which doesn't reduce even after a good night's sleep or 8 hours of rest, and if her BP is elevated or if her urine albumin is plus or 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, then the leg swelling is an indication of her high blood pressure in the body. We need to address this as soon as possible because hypertension, if not controlled during pregnancy, can lead to grave complications in pregnancy, in labor, for the mother as well as for the child's health. And we also have to check for symptoms like headache, constant headache or repeated headaches in the women, or blurring of vision, or epigastric pain, that is pain in the mid chest, or vomiting sensation, giddiness. If any of these are present along with leg swelling, then it could be again an indication of hypertension, that is high blood pressure in the women, and this needs immediate attention. So this is the basic difference between normal leg swelling, which is physiological in pregnant women, especially around second or third trimester, and an abnormal leg swelling which needs immediate attention. So what are the other dietary advices that we would recommend to such women with leg swelling? Usually we ask such women to have a salt restriction to be on a safer side, and we also need to explain the women that if any of the other warning signs are present, she has to report immediately to the doctor. What are the other home remedies which could help the women with leg swelling? So whenever a mother complains of leg swelling, advise her to have a limb elevation, that is leg elevation. Whenever she is standing for a longer duration or sitting with her legs down for a longer duration, foot swelling can happen. In such scenarios, we always advise to avoid prolonged standing or sitting with legs hanging down. So whenever she is cooking, she could use a chair or stool or something else such that she can rest for some time instead of standing for longer duration. Even while she is sitting, she has to sit with her legs elevated. That is, if she is sitting in sofa or chair, she could raise the leg little above from the ground or towards the hip level such that the leg swelling can be minimized. And whenever she is going for sleep, we always advise a limb elevation with at least 2 or 3 pillows beneath the legs such that the legs are elevated and the excess fluid is drained overnight. I hope you found this video useful. Do share it with another pregnant woman who is worried about her leg swelling in pregnancy. If you found this video informative, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and press on that notification bell icon to receive regular updates on upcoming videos on every important topic of pregnancy and motherhood in my channel. Until I meet you in the next video, stay happy, stay mommified.